Okay, the time has come. I'm just packing for Portugal and Spain. And I don't know if this is interesting to you guys, but I've got a process. So I thought I'd share. I love these Amazon cubes. They're, yeah, you can just order them on Amazon, these Amazon basics. And then I just put all my socks and like underwear and all that kind of stuff in here. Then I pack these so my clothes smell nice when I get there. And then all my clothes in here. And what I've done is I'll just pack for 5 days. Like, so if I'm going for 10 days, I'll have 5 pairs of pants and 5 shirts. So I can wash shirts once and pants once, or pants not at all. But I always bring enough socks. That's one thing I don't go without. And then I pack a separate bag for the plane. That way I don't have to worry about trying to dig through my clothes and like the day that I'm gonna fly. And I should have shown you the pants I have, but they're the pants with at TJ Maxx, shout out, that you can put your phone in your, like the side of your thigh. Then I never go anywhere without some food. So I always pack a bunch of snacks and I'm never sad that I did that. Chapstick, hair stuff. I got this really cool bag in Guatemala. So this has become my new travel bag. And if anyone knows me, I am a better person, caffeinated. Cough drops. Oh, can we talk about Switzerland and how I had a cough? It was horrible. Anyway, face wipes. I just bought this waterproof case and I got to make some use of it. Passport. I got this cute little guy in China. He just makes me laugh. It's not something I would ever buy, and that's why I bought it. Little travel purse. This little guy, oh my gosh, this might be my proudest moment. And you'll see exactly why I'm a nurse, okay? So look at this. Vitamin C, multivitamin, Benadryl, melatonin, Motrin. This was this was a cold medicine. I didn't realize I bought the high blood pressure cold medicine. Oh well. Provigil, that helps me get off night shift. Bowels, meds, True Nurse, Tums, and Meclizine. Oh, it's like a multivitamin for me for motion sickness. Anyway, and then I have another cube for all toiletry stuff. This is like my go-to, this Surfer gel for hair while I'm on vacation, because I really embrace the wild Amazonian look on vacation. Camera, of course, extra camera battery that's charged. This is my favorite airplane pillow ever. This is amazing. This is the second one I've owned and I won't go without. And also this. I also ordered this on Amazon and it is like the best eye pillow. I actually wear it every night now, not just on vacation. Sunglasses. I always take earplugs with me. You never know how noisy it's going to be on the street, which we also experienced in Switzerland. I'm packing my cell phone charger tonight because I don't want to forget that. This I also ordered on Amazon, this battery pack. And this can get me about 4 charges of my phone. So this thing is a lifesaver. And then Brookstone universal charger. And I've got just my Cotopaxi fanny pack given to me by a good friend, a hat, a rain jacket. I've learned that you can't go without a rain jacket. You really can't. $12 Switzerland water bottle that I bought. It's been a good go-to. And it's not as heavy as my Hydro Flask, which is nice. This thing, I'm not going to pack it because I'm not checking any bags, but this thing is amazing. I'll just spray my clothes before. I'm going to see if they have a travel size one of these because it just gets all the wrinkles out and makes you not feel like, just such a scrub. So, and I think that's pretty much it. I actually have this cool thing that I can put out and pack right there. But all I'm gonna hopefully take is this backpack, this Osprey backpack. So as you can see, it's, yeah, it's pretty big, and I am just not a fan of paying for luggage. Because we got our ticket for about $600. It'd be about $120 to pack, so I just can't justify that. So anyway, so that is how I pack, and hopefully it can all fit.